Hey everyone, let me share a quick story with you. Last month, my friend forgot to pay his credit card bill on time and ended up with extra charges. It was so frustrating for him. That's when he realized he needed a better way to track his bill payments to avoid this happening again. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple way how you can keep track of your bills and avoid those annoying late fees. Let's start. I have already created a long list of bills to be paid by the end of this month, each due on different days. It's easy to lose track of due dates in the busy life. But don't worry, we will take care of it in this tutorial. First, we will write today's date. For that, I'll start by writing today. And next to it, I'll input the formula to display today's date. Now, let's explore how to identify which bills are due today. In our list of bills, we have data including the bill number, name, due date, amount, and status indicating whether it's been paid or not. If it's paid, we'll mark it as paid. Otherwise, it remains blank. So, now let's use the filter formula to find which bills are due today. Here we will put headings. And now, we will write is equal to, filter, bracket, select, columns B to E, excluding column F, since here, we're not concerned with the payment status. If a bill is already paid, it should not be included in our filtered list. Then comma, bracket, now we will select this date column, then write is equals to, and select cell, containing today's date. This ensures that our bill due list updates automatically every day, as the formula for today's date ensures real-time updating. Then close the bracket. Since we don't want to include bills that are already marked as paid, we'll add another condition. To add another condition, we will first add asterisk sign and write our next condition. Bracket, we will select this status column, then is equals, an empty string within double quotation marks. This ensures that only unpaid bills are included in our list. Again bracket, close and enter. Now, the list will display the bills that are unpaid and due today. First, I'll format these cells properly. Now, if we change the date, say it's May 13th, 2024, and there are no bills due for that day, an error may occur. To address this, we'll include an additional argument in the filter function by adding no due today within quotation marks. Any absence of due bills on a specific date will no longer trigger an error message. Again, we will change it to today's date. And there we have it, a clear view of the bills due today. We can easily prioritize and manage our payments, ensuring timely payments and avoiding late fees. If you don't want to wait until the last minute, you can also make lists due after 2 days. Simply add +2 in the formula after today's date cell reference. And here we have list of bills due after 2 days. Okay, for now, I'll keep the due date as today. If the status is marked as paid, that entry won't appear in the list. Moving forward, even with this tracking system in place, there's still a chance we might overlook paying our bills on time due to busy schedule. To tackle this, let's generate a list of overdue bills. In this cell, we will write filter formula. But this time we will write 3 conditions. Is equal to, filter, open parenthesis, select columns B to E, then comma, open parentheses. First, we will add a condition to check that the cell is not empty. This is because we are selecting the entire column to avoid changing the formula every time we add a new entry. Select the date column, then use the not equals to sign, followed by an empty string within double quotation marks. Now, add another condition by putting asterisk sign. Select date column. And now put less than sign and select today's date cell. This will filter bills with past due dates. To add another condition, we will first add asterisk sign and write our next condition. Bracket, we will select this status column, specifying it equals an empty string within double quotation marks. This ensures that only unpaid bills are included in our list. Now, again comma, and in quotation mark, write no overdue. Now, bracket close and enter. The list will display bills that are both unpaid and overdue. Now, to organize this list, we'll sort it based on the date column, starting with the earliest overdue date. For that, we will write sort function, bracket, then after formula function, we will put comma, followed by 3 to indicate sorting by the third column, our date column. Another comma follows, where we'll enter 1 to sort it in ascending order, and this has sorted our bill list with due dates. Again, as we write paid here, that entry will disappear from the list. In the final step, we'll enhance our tracker by adding conditional formatting in the list. For that, select the data, go to Conditional Formatting. Select New Rule and select this last rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now write select this first cell of status column, remove $sign from the number to make it dynamic. That applies to each cell in the status column. Then write paid in quotation mark. Next, select the formatting style of your choice. For this example, we'll apply a strike-through and change the font color to gray. Once applied, any entry marked as paid will be visually crossed out, providing a clear indication of completed payments. And with that, our bill tracking system is complete. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, staying on top of your bills is crucial for financial peace of mind. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.